This house doesn't stand out because of its shape, it stands out because of its surface. From a distance, it looks like a heavy, almost closed block, but as you get closer, you realize the walls are not smooth. They have layers, like cuts in the ground. This is the Textures House, designed by Roberto Benito in Argentina, where the main element is not the space, it's the material. The walls are made of exposed concrete, but not a typical one. It was built in different layers with variations in the mix. This creates an effect similar to geological strata, as if the house had been carved out of the ground rather than built. This detail completely changes the perception of the space. The house stops being just a volume and becomes a surface, something you read with your eyes, but also with its texture. The form of the house is simple, low, horizontal, very close to the ground. It doesn't try to stand out by height, it spreads and anchors itself to the site. The internal organization follows a very clear logic. The house is divided into parallel bands, each with a function. At the front, the access and parking area. Then a more technical band with kitchen and services. At the center, the main space, a large integrated area, almost square in proportion, and with an important feature, it opens to 2 courtyards, one on each side. This allows cross-ventilation and prevents the space from ever feeling closed. Even as a compact volume, this central space has very few structural elements, just 3 columns, with the rest left open. This creates flexibility and reinforces the sense of continuity. The interior materials follow the same logic. Nothing is hidden. Exposed installations, cement floors, visible structure, light partitions made of glass and metal. This creates an almost industrial atmosphere, but without losing comfort. The house also maintains a strong relationship with the exterior. The voids are not random, they are positioned according to use, more open in the social areas, more controlled in the private areas. The landscaping reinforces this, using native species adapted to the climate and requiring low maintenance. The private areas are located further back, large bedrooms with bathrooms and closets, but connected to each other through a courtyard. This keeps light and ventilation constant and avoids closed corridors. In the end, the Textures house is simple to understand. It doesn't try to impress with form. It uses material as the main element, organizes space in bands, and creates a house that works in a direct way, where the most important thing is not the design, but how it is built.